In this video, I'll show you how to replace and install your ink cartridges on your Canon TS6420a or TS5320a or any other Canon printer that are looking like this one. I'm sure there's many of them. So the first thing you need to do is to lift this top panel over here. I'll show you how. Over here on the side, you see there's a small gap. There's another one on the other side. I want you to put your fingers there and simply lift up like this and then release. The lid will sustain by itself since it has a small prop over here that maintains it in this position. One thing I forgot to tell you is make sure that your printer is turned on before even starting what I'll show you. Then you'll see the ink cartridges being presented to you over here. You see they slide it from this side to the middle side. So now we can remove them if there's any. If not, no problem. So these are the two slots for the ink cartridges. Over here we have C, over here we have B. C is for color, B is for black, because this takes two ink cartridges. By the way, I have put links in Amazon if you want to get them from them, if you need a replacement. Just check out the links I just put in the description of this video. To remove the lid, to open the lid of this holder, you just have, you see, to put your finger over here, there's a small release, and it will swing back open. Same thing on the other side. And here are the ink cartridges. So to remove them, you just have to slide your thumb over here and then with the other one, pinch it and pull towards you like this. And the ink cartridge will come right out. Same thing on this one. Let me put it on the side so you see better. Put your thumb there. Then you see over here, there's a small lip on the cartridge itself. This is to put your finger on and be able to pull it easily. Then take your new ink cartridge. Let's say that's a new one. By the way, this takes the Canon 260p has a black ink cartridge, and for the color ink cartridge takes the CL261. So to install the ink cartridge, very easy. Take the ink cartridge like this from the back. By the way, never touch this print head, and then you just have to slide it like this, release it, and it will fall back. It will fall exactly in the spot that it's supposed to go. Same thing with the black one. Glide it there in the slot and then just drop it. Next step, close these gray lids. Just have to push them with your finger, very easy. And at the end, when you need to close the lid of the printer, all you have to do is to push it up and then you'll be able to lower it. Because if you're trying to lower it like this, it won't work. It will stay jammed. So I'm pushing it up and then release it. And it will fall by itself, very soft, and you're good to go. Now you just have to wait about 30 seconds and your printer will be able to operate back again with brand new cartridges. So I hope this video was helpful. Please leave a like, comment down below. Subscribe, check the links in the description, and I will see you in the next video.